Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KPI Schools, and our lesson today writing a function rule, and our objective to write equations that represent functions. Okay, in this lesson we will solve only the practice and problem solving exercise. I will start with the question number 8 here. The question said, write a function rule that represent each sentence. So he give you a sentence in question 8, my dear student, and you have to write it as a function rule. Okay, let us start. Question number 8. Y is, so you write directly y equal, okay, break. Now we done from here. Now the statement said 5 less than the product of 4 and x. Less than means bravo, minus. But because it is less than, so you have to switch between the product of 4 and x, which is 4x, and the 5. And between them, as we said, negative. So y equal 4x negative 5. Let me repeat again from the beginning. Y is, so directly write y equal. Now we done from this. Now 5 less than means minus the product like this. So directly you will write, or anyone write 5 minus, because it is less than the product of 4 and x, which is 4 multiply x, which is 4x. But because it is less than, not less. If it is less, like this, 5 less the product of 4 and x, so your solution is correct. But because you have less than, that means you have to switch between the 5 and the 4x, and it will be 4x, my dear student, okay, minus 5. I hope you get it. Now number 9, C is, so C equal, I'm done from this. Okay, it is 8 more than, and more than mean, yes, great, plus plus what? Half of n. Half of n over 2. Okay, half of n here, it is n over 2. Or you can write it as 1 over 2 multiply n. Or you can write it as decimal 0.5 multiply n. All of them are the same and they are correct. Now let us come back to the question. So again, from the beginning, C is, so cancel this, 8, okay, this is 8, more than, so it is plus, half of n, so it is n over 2. So we done. Okay, my dear student. Some student ask me, more than, that's mean we have to switch like less than, teacher. Less has than and we switch, but here more than, you have to switch. Yes, I have to switch, but if I switch in addition, doesn't matter, okay? Okay, but in less than, you have to switch. Remember that. Good. Now number number 10. Let us start reading. 7 less than, that's mean minus 3/5 of B is A. Is A, that's mean A equal, I'm done from this. Now 7 minus, okay, 3/5 of B. Teacher, 3/5, that mean 3/5? Yes. So this you write it, instead of this you write 3/5 of what? Of multiply of B. So it will be 3 minus 3/5 of B. Okay, my dear student. But teacher, here you made a big mistake. You said before less than mean less than. In this case we have to switch between the first term and the second term, this term and this term, and I say you are correct, so we have to switch. This come first, 3/5 over B, 3/5 B negative 7. Okay, now it's correct because it is less than. Okay, my dear student. Now number 11, sorry, 2.5 is more than mean plus. More than what? The quotient of H and 3. Okay, is W. So W equal 2.5 plus quotient of H and 3. All of my students know that this is H over 3. Quotient means the answer of division, yes? So this H over 3, we agree about this, and we can write it as 1 over 3H. Yes, it has the same meaning, and it has one more. No, it is enough. So anyone you select is correct. So H over 3, we done. Are you happy, my students? I hope so. So let us consider this is the first part of this video. Okay, in the next video we'll take this part of practice and exercise, practice and problem solving exercises. Okay, and we'll try to solve 12, 13, 14, and 15. Goodbye and see you later, my best alligators. Goodbye.